Welcome to this training video on generating and printing reports in the inVize ID software. We'll walk you through everything step by step, from setting up your search fields to printing or saving your final report. Step 1. Open the inVize ID software. On the main page, on the left-hand side, you should have search fields for submission date, or date printed. Please note, if you're missing the date fields, you'll need to open the admin tools to add them. Open the admin tools by clicking the hammer icon, then click Search Fields, as indicated by the arrows on the image above. You have several options for search fields to add. The ones you want are transactions date printed, and transaction submission date and time. To add these, make sure there's a blue check mark next to each one. Changes save instantly as you check or uncheck a box. Once you've made your changes, close out of the admin tools. Step 2. Now that you've added the search fields, you can choose the time frame for your report right from the main page. Submission date is the date the transaction was transmitted. Date printed is when the fingerprints were captured. Date is when the transaction was created. Most of the time, all three dates will be the same. But depending on your agency's workflow, they could all be different. Step 3. You can either manually type in the date range, using the left date as your start and the right as your end, or use the drop-down to select the dates. If you're typing it in, the format is 2-digit month, 2-digit day, and 4-digit year. Step 4. Once you've entered your dates, click the search button at the bottom to generate the report. Step 5. Click File in the upper left corner. Hover over Reporting, and then click Preview Report. The Preview Report will show the same view as your main screen. If you need to add or remove any fields, you can do that in the admin tools under Search Options. Step 6. To print your report, click File in the upper left corner and select the top option for Print. Select the appropriate printer from the drop-down, or choose Print to PDF if you'd like a digital copy, and click Print at the bottom. If you selected a physical printer, your report will print right away. If you chose PDF, you'll be prompted to name the file and choose where to save it. Thanks for watching, and please contact Biometric Information Management anytime you need assistance.